Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by spotting the base and the argument, because knowing what you're taking the log of sets the whole strategy. First, simplify. Combine coefficients and turn roots into fractional exponents so you can use log rules. Once done, rewrite products as sums and quotients as differences. That prepares you to isolate the unknown. Make sure to keep track of any domain restrictions, since logs require positive arguments and bases not equal to 1. You now apply the core log laws to break complex expressions into manageable pieces. This is where algebra does the heavy lifting. Use the product, quotient, and power rules to move exponents out front and separate sums and differences. Doing so turns multiplicative relationships into additive ones you can solve stepwise. Once terms are linear in the unknown, collect like terms and isolate the log containing the variable, so you're ready to convert back to exponential form. You finish by converting the isolated logarithm into its equivalent exponential equation and solving for the variable. This gives the explicit value. After you get a candidate solution, always substitute back into the original expression to confirm the argument remains positive and the base conditions hold. If the value fails the domain check, revisit earlier algebraic steps or try rearranging terms differently. When stuck, use a quick numeric evaluation to spot where the procedure broke down.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.